After years of mystery, rumors, and theories, the James Webb Space Telescope finally revealed something that could change our perception of the universe forever. The first real image of Betelgeuse, the star everyone thought was on the verge of exploding. But what James Webb has captured surpasses all expectations. Now, are we looking at a never-before-seen phenomenon, or is Betelgeuse hiding something even more incredible? Betelgeuse, one of the most enigmatic and gigantic stars in the firmament, has always fascinated scientists and stargazers alike. Its intense brightness and massive size, 1,400 times larger than the Sun, have inspired astronomers throughout the ages to observe it with both suspicion and expectation. This colossal red supergiant in the constellation Orion has behaved strangely in recent years. Betelgeuse began to lose brightness, and many thought it was close to going supernova. A few years ago, astronomers noticed something surprising. Betelgeuse started to fade rapidly. For a star that shone so brilliantly, this sudden dimming sparked a wave of theories and speculation. Was it dying? Were we about to witness a supernova in our own galaxy? Expectations ran high. The variation in Betelgeuse's brightness was so drastic that many truly believed the end was near. A supernova visible from Earth would be an unprecedented event in modern history. That year was filled with uncertainty. As more data were collected, theories of an impending explosion gained traction. But although the brightness fluctuated, the explosion never came. Then came the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of human engineering designed to peer farther than we had ever imagined. With its golden mirror spanning more than 6 meters, Webb was built not only to observe the distant reaches of the universe but also to unravel mysteries in our own galactic neighborhood. Naturally, Betelgeuse became a prime target. Could Webb reveal what was really happening at the heart of this unstable giant? Was this a phenomenon that defied the known laws of astrophysics? The wait for answers was almost unbearable. And finally, the image arrived, the first high-resolution photograph of Betelgeuse taken by James Webb. This image was not only breathtaking, it offered a completely new perspective on the star. Yet, it was not what scientists expected. Through Webb's infrared vision, Betelgeuse appeared enormous and turbulent, revealing strange patterns across its surface, features that had only been speculated about before. Instead of a dying, fading star, Webb's images showed Betelgeuse alive with hot spots and vast, bright regions, as if in full activity. Even more striking, Betelgeuse was surrounded by a vast cloud of gas and dust, material it had ejected itself. Violent explosions on its surface gave it a chaotic, ever-changing appearance. Scientists now suspect this activity could explain the star's unpredictable variations in brightness. With Webb's observations, Betelgeuse's surface is now seen as a cosmic battlefield. Massive regions flare up and dim within weeks, which is highly unusual for a star of its size. These eruptions, known as stellar mass ejections, hurl matter into space, creating spectacular clouds of gas. This extreme behavior has sparked new debates. Some astronomers believe it signals Betelgeuse's final approach to supernova, while others argue it may be stabilizing. What's certain is that Betelgeuse is behaving in ways never before observed in a star of its kind. The implications are profound. While we know how giant stars typically die, the new data suggests that we may have underestimated the complexity of this process. If Betelgeuse were to explode, the event would light up our skies like a second sun, visible for weeks, yet harmless to Earth. Such an explosion would provide astronomers with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to study a supernova in real time, teaching us how these cosmic blasts forge essential elements like oxygen and iron, the building blocks of planets and life. Every atom of oxygen in our lungs and every atom of carbon in our bodies was forged in the core of a dying star. In a way, watching Betelgeuse's fate is like watching the cycle of death and rebirth that shapes the universe. The James Webb Telescope has given us not just an unprecedented view of Betelgeuse, but a glimpse into the future of astronomy. From distant galaxies to potentially habitable worlds, Webb is a window into both the past and the future of the cosmos. Each new image carries the potential to rewrite what we know about existence, and perhaps, one day, to answer the oldest question of all, are we alone in the universe? So, what do you think of this new image of Betelgeuse captured by James Webb? Are we about to witness a spectacular supernova, or is the universe hiding something even stranger?